Today I'll show you how you can easily create a classroom on the Google Classroom app on your Android phone. So for that, first I'll head over to the Google Classroom app on my phone, and once I click on the app and the home screen comes in front of me, I'll click on the plus sign on the right corner of the app and select the Create Class option. I will check on the box and select Continue. And now I will have to name the classroom. The best way to name the classroom is your class written in Roman letters, followed by the section, followed by the subject, and ultimately the initials of the subject teacher. This is the best way to name a class, and once you are done, you can click on the Create button. You don't need to fill in the other details, only the class name will suffice. And once you complete this step, your classroom on Google Classroom will be created. It is as simple as that. It is very easy to use, like I told you. That's it. That's how you create a classroom on Google Classroom. Thank you so much for watching this video.